Oh, so we'll go to next item of our agenda, which is the other matters. So other matters, Congressman Busita, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Good afternoon po sa ating lahat. Mr. Chair, kaninang umaga po, nabanggit ko na ito. Unfortunately, hindi pala dapat kanina yon. Ituloy ko lang, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, paulit-ulit na lang, may mga kasama tayong mga pulis na pinaniniwalaang mahilig magtanim ng ebidensya. Of course, iilan lamang naman po ito. And kung titingnan po natin yung reaksyon ng ating mga kababayan, parang hindi nakapanipaniwala na hindi ito natin mabigyan ng atensyon. Mr. Chair, maraming sinisira ang mga ito eh. Sinisira yung individuals na biktima, sinisira ang kanilang pamilya, sinisira ang organization. So, Mr. Chair, alam po natin na merong disciplinary measures dyan ang PNP sa planting evidence. DIDM, may mga kinasuhan na ba kayo administrative cases, planting evidence?
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. May I ask the IDM, sir, with respect to the cases involved? Pagdating, it is a serious offense, sir. Ang jurisdiction kasi, sir, ng DIDM
Chair,
is...
Ang tanong ko po, maraming beses na tayo nag-imbestiga dito, even before yung tanim ebidensya.
meron,
Kayo po ba, DIDM, may iniimbestiga na mga police personnel dito sa planting evidence? Meron po ba? Wala.
meron po, sir.
Ano po ba ito? Grave offense o hindi?
Grave offense po, sir.
Dismissible offense po ba ito o hindi?
Yes, sir. Dismissible offense.
May na-dismiss na po ba tayong mga pulis o wala pa?
Meron po, sir.
Mr. Chair, may I respectfully manifest na pag-submitin po ang PNP ng list of personnel with the planting evidence case. Particular po yung mga na-dismiss at yung mga may ongoing case or cases. Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, sir, nandito po yung DPRM and they have the records right now, sir.
Yan po bang isasubmit nyo na right now? Mr. Chair.
DPRM.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm OIC Dilod, the Discipline Law and Order Division of DPRM. For now, Your Honor, we have the data for 2023. We have 5 cases being investigated. Other cases were already resolved, filed in
Mr. Chair,
PRO 3.
excuse me, kapatid.
Yes, sir.
Ang tanong natin, may na-dismiss na ba kayong pulis dahil sa kaso ng planting evidence? Meron po ba o wala?
Yes, sir. Based on our records, sir, we have
Excuse me.
4.
Ang tanong ko pa lang po kung meron o wala.
Meron po, sir.
Sa record po ninyo, ilan?
Based on our records, sir, for 2023 alone, there are 4 personnel dismissed for
Excuse me po.
planting of evidence.
Apat po for 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
How about other years?
We have yet to generate the data on that, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
Mr. Chair, para hindi masayang ang oras natin, Mr. Chair, mag-submit na lamang po ang PNP ng list of personnel, dismissed personnel, doon po sa kaso ng planting evidence and list of personnel na may ongoing case dito sa planting evidence, Mr. Chair. 2024 siguro, Mr. Chair. Patras na lang, 2023, 22, 2021. Lahat, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So can you comply with the request of the Honorable Congressman Busita, please?
Mr. Chair, yes, Mr. Chair, only with respect to resolved cases, Mr. Chair, but all cases pending investigation is still with the DIDM,
All right.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, if I may, pwede po bang ma-request sa NAPOLCOM to check whether na-implement ito? Kasi po, alam natin, even the General of NCRPO, na sometimes nagkakaproblema na nasintensyahan na. Pero sometimes ako, Mr. Chair, meron po akong identified person na demote, na dismiss, pero unfortunately, hindi na-implement. Kumbaga, doon sa resolution, nasintensyahan. So I am not saying, Mr. Chair, na nangyayari pa rin yan sa PNP. So, Mr. Chair, if I may respectfully request na pwede po bang maparnisa ng PNP ang NAPOLCOM to check kung na-implement po ito properly, Mr. Chair?
You're asking what
Mr. Chair,
department?
parnisan po sana ng PNP ang NAPOLCOM para ma-check kung ito bang mga dismissed personnel ay na-implement properly, kung kailan at kung ilan, para ma-validate lamang po ng NAPOLCOM, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Will you comply with that?
Yes, Your Honor. As soon as the PNP furnishes us the complete data, we will validate and investigate if
All right.
necessary.
Mr. Chair, pinarating ko lang po ito to this honorable committee kasi hindi lamang po tayo nakakapansin na parang binabaliwala at ginagawang laruan lang ng iba na pulis itong pagtatanim ng ebidensya. Again, for the information of everybody, katulad ko po, galing sa PNP, maliit na porsyento lang ang tiwali sa ating hanay. Pero kung hindi natin ito ma-address properly, ang ginigiba nito is the whole PNP. Yun lamang po, Mr. Chair. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much and for the information of Congressman Busita as well and the whole body, the submitted PNP personnel that was imposed penalties from 2016 up to present. Meron na tayong 26,296 yung mga may penalties imposed. At na-dismiss naman from service ay 6,815 from January 1 to 20 from up to December 2023 705. So in other words, ang total na po na nagkaroon sila ng imposition of penalties our 26,296.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Sige, go ahead.
Mr. Chair, napakaganda po na nalalaman ito ng ating mga kababayan.
Yes. So,
Dahil nababasa ko po na ito daw hearing natin ay naglulukuhan lamang.
Hindi.
Drama lang.
may penalties na.
At least,
Investigahan nila is may kasi mga decision na
Mr. Chair, again, napakaganda po na nalalaman ito ng ating mga kababayan. Dahil marami po nagko-comment, nagsasayang lang daw ng oras dito itong ating ginagawa na hearing lang ng hearing, wala namang result.
Hindi yung mga ganun.
So at least, Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman.
especially
Yeah.
yung mga House Resolution authored by Honorable Congressman
Mm.
Acop, alam ko kasama po diyan sa mga naparusahan ng mga personnel ng PNP. So,
Okay, so Congressman Busita, you were right. At ito nga mabuti na rin na meron na tayong live, no? Hindi katulad ng dati mga panahon pag nag-iimbestiga tayo dito, hindi nila nalalaman yung totoo. But this time, we have to put it in the right perspective that the PNP as well as the NAPOLCOM, they are doing their jobs, ano? Ang problem lang ay hindi na ma-magnify sa media. Sometimes ang nag-magnify ay yung mga kalokohan lang talaga. Ganun naman usually ang gusto ng tao yung mga controversial issues That's the reason why akala nila walang ginagawang maganda yung ating mga PNP sa NAPOLCOM. As a matter of fact, the NAPOLCOM also issued yung mga na-dismiss nila the last hearing, pero it was not highlighted, And yun ang masama. Akala nila totality ng PNP ay ganon. Ito nga, nung binabasa natin dito, ang dismissal nila ay umabot na ng 6,815. Yung for the whole from the 2016 up to 2022. At yung sa ano naman po sa dismissal mismo, sa dismissal mismo tinanggal sa serbisyo 6,815. Pero yung Merong demotion, may suspension, merong siyang forfeiture of salary, reprimand, restriction, saka yung mga withholding of privileges, umabot yan ng total ng 26,296. So marami-rami na rin po at hindi naman natutulog ang inyong gobyerno. And that's the reason why we're conducting investigation like this para one of the deterrent also, di ba? At I hope na makatulong to. And we are encouraging our community to report to us. And even those yung mga members ng PNP na kapag meron kayo nalalaman ng ganitong klase ng mga katiwalian, you tell us para we can investigate on this matter for be a part of the good governance that our administration is trying to implore to all of us. Okay?
Mr. Chair,
So,
so very clear na hindi po kinukonsente ng PNP ang tiwali sa hanay, na maliit na porsyento naman. Mr. Chair, may I respectfully request dito sa PNP na maganda po siguro may publish ito in every unit of the PNP. Dahil nung nasa serbisyo pa po ako, hindi namin nababalitaan yan eh. So maganda po siguro, Mr. Chair, may publish ito ng PNP in every unit nationwide. Thank you, Mr. Chair.